Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can add a clickable Etsy shop on your TikTok. Now this is very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, just go to your Etsy shop. Okay, now that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to check. As you can see, this is your Etsy name. Okay, click on it and it will take you guys here to your Etsy shop. Now you want to copy your Etsy shop name. Just copy it, Ctrl C, or right click and click on copy and open it in a new tab. Okay, and you want to add to this shop name, to your shop name, you want to add point or dot Etsy, okay, dot com. Okay, you have to add dot Etsy dot com to your name, to your shop name. After that, you want to copy this link. This is going to be your shop link and it's going to be clickable. So if someone clicks on it on your TikTok, it's going to take them directly to your shop. Okay, so what you guys need to do next, you want to open your phone. Okay, you can do the exact same steps on your phone if you don't have a laptop or anything like that. Now you just need to copy, like I said, you just need to copy your shop name and add to your shop name .etsy.com. okay, now you want to open the app on your phone. Okay, and you want to click on profile here, and you want to click on edit profile. Now here you can see here business, like in their business information, you will see here a website. You want to click on it and you want to paste here the URL here and then click on save. And that's exactly, guys, how you can add Etsy shop link to your TikTok. Okay, now in case you don't have this website option here, you want to convert your personal account into business account and not the commands required or anything like that. It's very easy. You can do that inside your TikTok app in the settings. You can easily convert or turn a personal account into business account. It's very easy. Just search on YouTube on how you can turn a personal account to business on TikTok, and there are a lot of videos that will explain you how you can do that. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Keep in mind that you need at least 1000 followers, okay, to be able to add your link here. Now if you don't have 1000, you can just put it here in the bio. Okay, click on bio and then put the link here, but it's not going to be clickable, so people will not be able to, if they click it, they are not going to, it's not going to take them directly to your shop. They have to type it manually. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.